Good morning, it's Saturday morning cartoons. We are going to do a desk review. This is my typewriter workspace, and I'm sure you guys have seen it in the other videos, so we'll just take a quick look and go through it. Normally I have a typewriter on here that I'm working on, or a machine that I'm using. I got this wool felt thick typewriter pad, and then underneath that I got a bunch of papers and stuff that I'd be working on. Oh, a giant microwave magnet attached to a knife so that way it doesn't slide around everywhere. It has outriggers. Yeah, and then I don't have a center drawer here, so that's why I keep a lot of my papers right there. I got this neoprene covering that covers the top, protects what's left of this dilapidated wood. Yeah, you guys have seen this lamp, the brass stifle lamp. And then this is a typewriter desk. This folds up. Let me move this lamp over to the side so we can get full open. Yeah, this is a variation of these typewriter desks. They have them in different kinds and styles. Some open and automatically flip the machine out when you open the lid. This one works a little differently. I'm gonna set you down here and take it out. Ooh. This one you have to manually pull out by hand, and it's on this tray, and it's got these rails on the side, and then the machine sits there like that. I'll get you in the other tripod really quick, and then we can take a look at how it works here. Take a bit of this clip. This guy. Oh, excuse me. It's kind of an impromptu Saturday video. Can you see that? Yeah, it's really low, which is nice. You know, you want your typewriter to sit. You know, my knees slide right underneath here, and it's the perfect height. It's kind of a challenge with this big wide carriage machine, this Olympia SG1. I have the carriage off, but yeah, it just has this slide system, and then you fold it back and slide it down into the cubby when you're done with it. I got a box over here that's blocking it. Slide that down into there, and then you close the lid. And then you get your writing desk back, or your working desk. But I don't use the fold-up feature so much because I'm constantly working on stuff. I constantly have this neoprene cover protecting the top, and it's just the way it is. It is a very handy desk, and if I was a dedicated typist, I would definitely go for it. But yeah, like I say, you just get ready to use it. Pull the machine out, slide it. Ready to type. When you're done, drop it back into its home, and the typewriter is hidden. The dog likes to be on the desk. He's always on the desk. Huh, buddy? What that dog doing? What that dog doing up here? Yeah, so I keep all my cleaning materials handy on the side here: mineral spirits, liquid wrench, WD-40 for cleaning, gun oil, a duster, yeah, and then in the drawer here, this is the main drawer that I use. This has my most used tools, the screwdrivers slotted in different sizes. That is very important, very handy to have. And then my next most used tools, I've got some benders and needle nose pliers, some millimeter miniature wrenches, and then this is kind of like my miscellaneous drawer. I got typewriter cleaning slug brush, some scissors. I keep my favorite towel in here, and some pens. And this is my main tool bench, I guess you could say. I have that out and open at all times when I'm working on machines to have all my tools handy. And in this drawer, this is my paper drawer that this is the paper that I use to type on. I got 2 reams of really good paper that I like, and then some cheap copier paper to do the type tests and H's. In the bottom drawer over here, this is like my rag drawer. and my ribbon drawer. I'll sit here and I'll spool the ribbon out of this giant spool, and then I'll just sit here and I'll let the thing feed out of there. I keep this propped up against it to keep the ribbon straight, but that's my ribbon winding system that I got. So, and then on this side, pull this out. This is just a drawer full of ribbons that need to be wound. I need to wind up some ribbons. But yeah, here's some bad guys. We'll never use those. But drawer full of ribbons. Probably not the best use of that drawer. I could probably find a different spot for that. And then I have another junk drawer that's not useful of my space. These are just like random chemicals and cleaners, like the Zoom spout oil I use a lot. I put that into the Remington. Got some adhesives, a couple packs of these combination, the metric or the standard that I don't use because I don't use standard machines. And just random tools and doodads. This drawer, I keep all of my random papers. Oh, don't knock that off. Yeah, this is like a, let's see here. We got old typewriter paper from thrift stores, onion skins. This is just my non-standard paper drawer that I have lined up there. And then I have all these. You guys might recognize these. I got a bunch of those sets. So, preparing for the future. Some pipe cleaners. Yeah, so that's my desk. What are you doing over there? He loves that thing for some reason. Look at him go. Look at him go. Let that dog go. I recently added this plastic chair thing on the floor because I would drop screws there constantly, and then the screws would be, I'd be on my hands and knees digging through the pile, the carpet pile, looking for little tiny miniature screws, and it was a pain in the butt. So I got this plastic thing, and so now when I drop stuff, it usually lands in one spot and stays there, and I can pick it up, move on with my day. But yeah, that's it, guys. This is my sanctuary, my typewriter headquarters, where I do all of my work. I got this desk for like $40 on OfferUp. The guy even delivered it because I didn't have a truck. So that was cool. He was a teacher. And then same with this lamp. I got this lamp for $20. It's like a $500 brass lamp. I got it for $20 on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace from a retired general somewhere. Yeah, so it's very useful stuff. I like it a lot. And that was a quick tour of my area, guys. Oh yeah, let's take a look over here. Got that cool poster I found, and then here's some letters and things I got from the community. Look at that crab. What's that crab doing right there? That's a cool crab. One of the guys on the Discord is a expert origamiist. He does origami, and man, he does some great work. Sent me that. That was pretty cool of him. I got that. Got this letter. Don't read it, but it's in Fracture. You see that? Fracture typeface. Very cool. I got this cool letter from another guy. Look at that. United States Senate Committee on Armed Services. Look at who's on this committee. Strom Thurmond. Yeah, some names that you might recognize on there. Pretty cool stuff. So yeah, I really enjoy this community, guys, and it's been a big gain for me in my mental health and my personal growth. So I really appreciate everybody out there that is a part of that. And you know, I'm just trying to do what I can to not just give back to the community, but be a part of the community. And it's really cool of everybody here. Jump. Can you jump? Let's see if he'll jump. Come here. Come on. Come on, buddy. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Jump, 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 jump. Jump, 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 jump. You got it. You got it. Oh, such a good jumper. Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah. That was crazy jump. How did you jump so high? All right, doggy, that's enough. Back, you animal. Vicious animal. All right, guys. Hot Rod Typewriter Company on a Saturday morning cartoon episode. Talk to you guys later. Bye.